Hello. That's better. How's it going? Fergus, what is up? Arkin, how are ya? The Pacifist. Oh my god, Pacifist, it's been a minute. I remember like a month ago you shared that you had like a 60 stream streak. Uh, I'm only assuming it's gone now. Mr. Mard, welcome to your stream. Yo, Virtue! That's a power move right there. Dropping the 65 stream streak. Virtue, how's it going? Gucci, how are you? Welcome in. Last time I was here like 2 months ago was when I liked your hat or something. Oh, right. You mentioned the smiley face hat and you found it online for like 10 times what I paid for it. I literally found it on the street at some little kiosk for 2,000 yen, which is like $14. Yeah, pretty much. Go to bed. Sock now, how's it going? Welcome in. Also, I released my game. Oh, congrats. Nice. Still going and just been lurking because I moved to a different time zone. So now you start while I'm still at work. Up to 78. Wow. Pacifist. That's crazy. Turgis. Yeah, your streak is gone. How y'all doing? How are y'all doing? This is a lovely Friday. It's a lovely Friday for me. I worked on the fence. I worked on the fence to the ski area last night or yesterday's stream. And I tried working on it like earlier. I tried opening up the scene to continue working on it and it just crashed. Just totally crashed. And I can't, it's just gone. Just gone forever. So annoying. Trying to deal with audio problems for OBS. Yeah, audio is tough. Audio is tricky. I don't even know how my audio works. It just does, and I don't touch it. I'll try. I'm a night owl and I stay up late. I'm the opposite. It's so funny how this stream time makes me basically hang out with a bunch of night owls. Yet I'm not that kind of person. Totally opposite. Let's start this over. Ah. There we go. Is it worth having Linux? Is it that good? You're talking to the wrong person. I am. I enjoy my Mac, so I'll never. I mean, people who use Linux love it, but that's not my thing. All right, let's see where I left off. Load scene. This is where I left off. I've got these mesh fences here, and I've got 2 courses. This is going to be the easier course. This is going to be the harder course. And you're going to have to basically fix both of these, but this one's going to be harder to fix because it has to go higher. Fal, how are ya? For certain things, but other things, no. It depends on what your goals are. I just like my software to work, and all my software, I'm sure, has Linux versions, but actually, no, Adobe doesn't have Linux versions, so. I tried switching to Linux last weekend, but the mixer I use for my mic doesn't have a Linux version. Well, there you go. That's what's going to happen. Windows is starting to be memed even more than Linux now because of the stupid crap they put in nobody wants. Yeah, people have been hating Windows forever. That's everyone hates something for some reason. Mac is too black box and too expensive, and Windows is it's got so much bloatware because wherever you buy your computer, it puts it on there, and viruses. So many viruses. I don't know. I use Mac and I don't really think about it. I don't like to think about that kind of stuff. I don't care. I like to make stuff. All right, so I'm going to keep working on this. I have this scene where I had to rebuild the fence. I don't have the simulation anymore. I just have these like pieces. But it works. It's fine. It's good enough. So I want to make the ski like the building that goes with this area, and I want to make some food stands, and I might want to make new picnic tables. I think I want to make like certain like special ski chalet metal ones. I don't know why they have to be metal, but they're going to be metal here. Cortana and Edge when I have ChatGPT on Chrome. Yeah, I hate Cortana. I'm constantly on my work machine. I'm constantly hitting like some hotkey that opens up Cortana. I'm just like, get out of here. I don't want you. You see, I'm too lazy to do that. Too lazy to do which update? Oh, and I also want to put trees on the slope. I got to figure out how I can spawn trees on the slope. And these are floating very high off the ground. Damn it. Damn it. Let me see if I can fix that. Oof. Why are they floating so high? That actually looks right. I mean, I guess I know why. It's just... this curve just doesn't sit on it. But actually, it looks good. What the hell? It looks good here. Sort of. No, it's floating way off the ground. All right, let's see if I can fix this. This is the non-live one. I'm gonna hide that. Hopefully this doesn't crash on me again and get corrupt. Version up. Yo, 3-stream streak. Hi, Harkin. Switching to Linus is a bit more work than updating. You gonna switch to the Peanuts character, Linus's OS? Polyglot, good morning. Introvert way of saying hi that takes more effort. I mean, after you've already been chatting for 12 minutes. All right, I guess I just need to add way more curve points here. Can I do that easily? Let's see. What is up with my shelves? They're like all piled up over here. How do I add? Create. Curve tool. I can't just like add a point. Curves. Add point tool. Oh, there we go. Ah, it adds it to the end. That's stupid. I want to add it in the middle. Oh, maybe I could just rebuild the curve. Yeah. Rebuild it. Curve. There's a rebuild. Rebuild. Here we go. And I want to rebuild it with a lot of spans. Apply. Oh, more than that. Maybe 100 apply. And now I want to snap it to this geometry. So driver, driven. Nope. Driven? Driver, driven. Okay. Let's see if this works. Modeling, mesh, transfer attributes. Vertex position on. Apply. That didn't work. I don't think you could transfer attributes from a curve. That's fair. That's fair. So I think if I make this live and I do this, yeah. Oh wait, I need the other one. I need this one to be live. No, 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 no. We're gonna make it this one. Harkin, thank you for the posture check. Slur, how are ya? Linus Tech Tips. That's funny. There is an easy way to get DAWs. When you are trying to broadcast, that is the problem. Like, you can use it for personal videos and music endeavors, but yeah, you're not going to get an Ableton. You're speaking another language right now. All right, so now I have this one. This is just for snapping purposes. Grab this. And can I just grab these and go, kind of. It snaps it very strangely. No. Horrible. Why? There we go. If I do smaller chunks, it's fine. No, not fine. If I do one at a time, it's fine. No, it's not even fine then. Why is this so funny? All right, how about this? I need to smooth this, but not add any curvature to it. So what if I poly model, smooth, open sub. I actually want Maya Catmull Clark. Continuity 0. There we go. Okay. So it's adding subdivision, but it's not adding curvature. Now make live. Please be good now. Be a good little snap tool. It's not. It's terrible. It's terrible. Oh my god. Why? What is happening? Is there like a better way to do this? Snap curve to polygons Maya. No. Hold down C. No. Wait. Hold down the C key on your keyboard while using the middle mouse to click and drag on the polygon you want to snap to. Okay, let's actually try that. No. That doesn't. This is snapping the curve to itself. Yeah, it's not doing it. Soup. I don't have enough points for his Duolingo time. Someone should. Also, we just started. Let me do something first. All right, actually, all right, moving one does kind of work. We'll just move one. We'll just move one. One. No, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Nothing was live. That's terrible. I might just redraw this instead of doing this. I go one by one. Fucking audio softwares. Yeah, I'm so out of the loop with audio. Like really, I really neglect audio. FL Studios work pretty good under Wine for me. Just need some installed fonts. Anyway, I added Quake 3 support to Jitspo's. Oh, dang. Quake 3. What about Quake 4? You're just going to hit them all. There is no Quake 4, right? IMs can still be used as well. And actually, you can, with some adjustments, get that Ableton feel to it. I think that's good enough. I think that's good enough. Moving on. Moving on. Shout out a friend. Let's shout out a friend. Who haven't we seen in a while? Who deserves a shout out? Red Cabin. I haven't seen Red Cabin in a bit. Let's shout out Red Cabin. Red Cabin is another Unity dev working on it's like a roguelike space shooter. It's really it's really polished. It's really fun. I played it. There's a demo. It's super high quality. I recommend giving Red Cabin a follow. Come on. On that night, I'm going to go to bed. Bed equals Jitspo stream. Slur. Have a good night on Jitspo's stream. This one's leaning. Let me fix that. There we go. All right, this is better. Let's duplicate them. Combine them. Put them in the export group. Delete the old. Out with the old, in with the new. Export. Put it in base station exterior props. And see what happens. I have a feeling it's not going to be right. Yes, I need to freeze its transforms. There we go. Send to Unity. Yes. There we go. Is it still floating? A little. A lot. What? No, I just fixed that. Did I not? Nah, I guess I didn't fix that one. No, I didn't fix that one at all. It's very much floating. Does it need more subdivision? Yes. Yeah, it needs so much more subdivision. All right, fine. Fine. Surface, curves, rebuild. Not 100. That was too much. Apply 50. We'll do 50. All right, fine. Fine, we'll do 100. I'm unfamiliar with game dev, but this is a 3D RPG. Like, this is amazing. Kinda. Wait, what do you mean it's like a 3D RPG? Like that's what I'm making, or that's what it looks like? I'm making a life sim. So it's like I mean, yeah, it's kind of like an RPG. All right, here we go. Okay, that's better. Whoa. Whoa. Why is it like flopped over here? What? That's stupid. Let me see if I can fix that. Rotation. Whoa, it's twisted. Don't twist. All right, we're gonna have to rebuild this one. Delete. Driver. Driven. Life Sim is RPG, but not action video game. It's true. Yeah. Yeah, it's got RPG elements. Is this now good? Okay, we're back. That was weird. That was weird. Is it grounded? Yeah. Hydrate foil, how are ya? How's it going? Is this one floating? A little bit. Ah, they're all floating a little bit. Do I need to rebuild? Can I just do this? Yeah, we're just gonna do that. Screw it. Okay. Okay, we're done. We're done. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how you start a war. Put it in here. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, export, done. Go. Base station. There we go. Ah, no! I can live with that. I can live with that. It's this I can't live with. I can't live with this. This is bad. I need to just fix this in a bespoke manner. I'm literally just going to grab this and move these verts up. I don't know how much it has to be moved up, though. Let's just do that. I got Balatro last night. Already have 7 hours in the game. Is it that addicting? I don't want to play it. I'm like against games that are that addicting. Still inside a little bit. Why is it though? I just don't understand. This ground plane is a height of 3. This thing is a height of 3.025. If I unhide this, there's nothing below the ground plane. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. Oh, it does make sense. This isn't on the ground. That's why. That's why. Oh my goodness. That's why. I'm dumb. All right, we can fix this. That's why. No, cancel it. That's, oh my God. I'm dumb. That should fix that. There we go. It's still a little bit. If I do that, is that good enough? Yeah, I don't see it. I don't see it anymore. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. It just feels like you play for 20 to 30 minutes and you look at the time and it's 3 hours later. So dangerous. And then now this is floating a little. Huh? Why is that down there? What? Oh my God, it's rotated. What have I done? It's rotated. No, it's not. Only these. How did this happen? This slope is just... I must have been very uncareful about something. All right, well. Let's see if I can fix this. What a stupid mistake. Yeah, it's kind of fine actually. What is this? What is this? Okay, that's just another bad curve placement. Is that fixed? Is that all fixed? I think so. So now I can try and figure out how to get trees on there. Whoa. Why did it do that? Unlock. Soften harden? No. Unlock. Yeah, apply. And this. Set vertex normal to 1. Great. All right, cool. Is it cool? Do we have any ground intersection? So this one's floating a little. I can live with that. This one's good. These are good. There's shadows. Yeah, this is good contact. Okay, okay, done. All right, how do I get trees on these things? I don't know. Let's see. Best way to spawn vegetation on geometry. Unity. Let's see what people got. Object pooling, no. Some kind of billboard geo. No. No. We want actual trees. How does my vegetation system work? Maybe I should use that. And just make it work for mesh colliders. Let's see if I can figure that out. Veggie spawn area. Generate scattered positions in a bounding box. Okay. How do I get their height? The bounding box center is the height. Always. Okay, so what I need is like generate scattered position and find height by raycasting downward. From the what? From the max height of the bounding box. Bounding box max Y. Okay. Let's try it. Does raycasting have to do with lighting? No. I mean, that's ray tracing. Raycasting is shooting a ray and hitting game objects with colliders. Ray tracing is when you simulate the physical properties of your eye ray and light to, you know, hit certain objects and see how light bounces and how to reflect stuff. So public vector 3, generate scattered positions mesh collider. Bounding box. So it's basically the same thing. It's the same exact thing. Which I'm going to do a naughty, and I'm going to copy paste. But instead of just assuming that the center is Y, I want to raycast from. Oh, you know what? Okay, yeah. So I'm going to raycast from this random point. Ani, thank you for the hydrate. Yeah, I'm going to grab this random point and do a raycast from here. So random point plus or physics.raycast. Or maybe I want to make a ray equals new ray. How do you make a ray? Forget. An origin and a direction. So random point plus vector 3 dot no plus bounding box dot max dot y times 0.5. Vector 3 dot up times And then the direction is straight down. So vector 3 dot down. Great. So there's my ray. And I want to physics raycast hit equals physics dot raycast, and I give it the ray. Oh wait, I have to the out. Max distance is bounding box dot max dot y times 2 layer mask whatever. Isn't there a way to say out hit? I'll just say 0 for now. Oh my god. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So it's origin, direction, raycast hit info, max distance. So the raycast hit info is it's out hit. And then max distance is, I'll just say 99. Whatever. 99F. Does this count? No. So the direction, oh, it just won't let me feed in a ray to do this. So I guess I'll just do this. Why? Cannot turn. Oh, right. So we're looking for a bool. If this happens. So ray cast hit. Hit. So if hit. If we hit a mesh collider. Do I have a tag for terrain? I think I do. Maybe I can use a layer mask. This I put in the terrain layer. I do. Okay, let's do that. Terrain. Yes, change children. Wait, does it even have children? No, only this object. What's even under there? Oh, the veggie blockers. Okay. Oh, well, that's going to be a problem. I want to block the vegetation from this, but I don't want to block it from there. I guess I can hide them, run it, unhide them, and then go along my day. So I need a layer mask on this thing. And I need a vegetation spawn zone. I feel like I want to put it in here and run this before, like outside the scene. I want to like run it in prefab. Let me do that. Select this ground plane. Slope bowl. So maybe I can run it here. Let's see how this goes. Vegetation spawn zone. I just want it to be, I guess I want it to be with trees, so slope. And the spawn zone needs to be gigantic. Display gizmo. What are the bounds? Also, where are these things? They're here, but they're not in here. Delete it. Oh, here's the size. Bounding box. What is bounding box? Generate scattered positions. Bounding box. Bounding box is the transform plus the size. And I'm using lossy scale Y. Okay, that's fine. Thank you, Ani. It's weird. I actually multiply the bounds by the size. Why do I even have... But the gizmo doesn't update like that. The gizmo... Rounded size. Rounded position. What if I don't do that? Oh, it's annoyed. I should have a checkbox that is entire volume. Public bool. Use mesh collider volume. Pedro Bartolini. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. How are you? So I'll say if not using mesh collider. Okay. We're gonna get there together. Oh, I already have a layer mask. That's convenient. The layer mask is veggie blocker. All right, so we want the whole thing. So now when we get the hit, if there's a hit, we need to actually update random point 2 dot y equals hit dot point dot y. Okay, so now the random point is updating to wherever we're hitting. And what else? I'm not even layer masking it, so it should just, it's gonna hit everything, so I gotta be careful with this. But let's see. So how do I choose which one of these to use? Basically when I hit spawn, so I'll say if mesh collider volume, then points equals generate on mesh collider, bounding box, else Do it the old-fashioned way. And is that it? Who thinks that's it? So I just have to put a mesh collider on this now, which I think it already has one. It does. Cool. It's got the wrong one, though. I need this one. Yep. And I select this, and I hit spawn. It worked. Yes. Hells yeah. No. Okay. It kind of worked. It kind of worked. Why did it only kind of work? Is it because this has a scale on it? No. Is it because... Also, where is all this grass? Oh, it's winter, so it can't see it. There it all is. Okay. All right, let's figure this out. Let's figure this out. Why would this only kind of work? Like, look at it. It looks like right there. It's right there. It's so close. Maybe because the hit is... I don't know. Also, 16... We're at 16.99. Oh, dang. No, this has no scale on it. This has no scale on it, right? Yeah. Just one more, and we're at the dreaded 1700. Not that I care. Not that I don't obsess over it. Why is this happening? It's... Be right back. Gonna go fill my water vessel. I gotta do that too. I did not start stream with a full cup. Normally I do. Oh, it's because I'm smoothing them. Smooth positions. That's why I need to not do that. Or I need to redo the... I need to realign them after the smoothing. So if mesh collider volume, then I need to redo this. So for each vector 3 position in positions, I just need to do this again. So it's not random point now, it's position. Random position. And instead of bounding box max, I'm gonna do plus up times, I don't know, just a random number, just 5, and I'll say, yeah, good enough. I need this, sort of. Position.y. Why can't I change this? Cannot modify the because it's a for each. All right, fine. Then for int x equals 0, x is less than Positions dot count length x plus plus, and then positions x. Positions x. And then I don't need to do this. That's it. Okay. I'm excited. I'm excited about this. So now when I hit veggie spawn, spawn, boom. Oh, yes. Ew. Okay, but now they float. So I just want like an offset. Just want to push them down a little based on their height. Because a tree I want to push down a lot, but a little a little thingy, a little piece of grass. Maybe I align it to the normals. So I guess in the asset itself, in the definition itself, maybe I need a checkbox that's like align normals to what we hit. Okay. Can clump, clump, clump. Random Y rotation, random scale. Public bool. Align to normals equals true. And I basically want everything to align to normals except for trees. Tool shed, how's it going? I gotta make sure they're not where the fence is. Maybe I will bring the fence into the prefab as a guide. Oh wait, I can do this. I can view. Yeah, that's cool. That's a cool feature. Unity, you really outdid yourself. So hopefully I can just scale this in. Scale this in. No. Not 32 or 0. Turn off snapping. Oh. Okay, I see. They can only be square. They have to be square. So 15, 15, 15. I'll just make a bunch. I don't know. Make this one. And then this one. Oh, wait, you can't rotate it. I forgot. And then this one. And then spawn. Look at that. It put the trees. It put the trees on these guys. That's amazing. That's the best. Okay, if they're hidden and I spawn, no, they'll still spawn up there. That's so funny. I don't want to open this in the context of the scene. I want to open it by itself. Spawn. Wow, it's still doing that. That's a shocker. Wait, why does it have any idea that that's there? All right, I guess I want to feed it the terrain. I want to feed it the terrain. So the terrain layer. Which is here. No. Random point vector. What is this query bullshit? I just want to feed it a layer mask. There we go. Okay, that works. Also, are we all following Cyan streams? I hope so. There he is. Look at that. Got summoned. All right, so now I should just be able to select these, say terrain, and then spawn. Okay, now they don't accidentally spawn up there. This is cool though. I like this. I like this. I think I want like way more. Do I need grass on the hill? Maybe I just put trees up there. All right, let's try and align these to the normal. So now instead of position, instead of just a vector 3, I think I need a custom class that like carries the normal value. So like I need my own hit. Spawn point. Spawn point. Public class. Spawn point. Oh wait, I want it in my tools. And it's a vector 3 position. Vector 3 normal. So private. Ooh. Private list. Oh crap. Spawn point. Spawn points. System.collections.generic. So here I'm returning a vector3 position. What I actually want to do now is spawn points equals new spawn point with the length of position count. I do not need this to be a list. And then instead of saying is space free, positions, I'll say points dot position. Wait, is space free? I feed in a, oh, weird. I'll just points. So this is now points dot. Why can't I? Oh, I'm an idiot. Public. Is space free. So points dot length and then points dot position minus point. Oh God, what's point? Oh no. Position. And then I feed in points. And I don't need that anymore. Same thing here. We want to say spawn point points. Spawn point. Dot position. And then here, random point. No. Points I dot normal equals hit dot normal. There we go. Oh my God, that was just to get that one value and to carry it over later. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Yo, Bardaki. Now that's a normal point. Hi, Bardaki. How are ya? Shout out to Bardaki. You're up late / early. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm doing some refactoring right now. Making fancy code. So now points is nothing. I actually don't care about points. I want spawn points. So everywhere there's points, Now I want spawn points. Spawn points. Spawn points equals spawn points. Spawn points. Spawn points. So smooth positions needs to return a spawn point array. We need to make it here. And then this just needs to be dot position. Positions. Spawn point. Points. Dot position. Dot position. Smooth positions. What? This is iterative because, oh, that's right. So this just needs to be this. And then position. That's fair. Why doesn't points work though? Points is an array of points. I can't pass it back in as a thing. I cannot convert from spawn point to unit. What? Oh, I have another. I have an override. Whoops! I did not realize that. New spawn. And then oh my gosh. Almost there. Almost there. Divide equals. Oh. Yo, Aaron, how's it going? Look at you writing all fancy pants code. Yeah, I'm trying. Trying. Can't all be. We can't all be Irish, John. Oh, this is a nightmare. If this breaks, if this doesn't just work, I'm screwed. Points. This is supposed to return a single point. Why do I return? Did I just forget to do that? I think I just forgot to do that. Okay. All right, so now we generate the right amount of points. We smooth them, and then we need to iterate over them. Spawn point. Point in spawn points. Spawn point dot position equals vector 0. If point dot position plus vector plus whatever, clone position. Spawn point at point dot. Yeah. Spawn point. So we want the spawn point. I want to make this equal new vector 3. Can I just say vector 3.0? I think so. This is now point dot position, local Euler angles. Okay, here's the deal. So now, oh no, I want this to be vector 3 dot up, not dot yo. Vector 3 dot up is the default. How do I align? How do I align a game object to the normal of something? Go dot transform dot rotation equals. Isn't it like vector 3 dot align? Rotate towards. Current is go dot transform dot Euler angles. The target is go dot transform dot. No, the point dot normal. Maximum radians delta. Max magnitude delta. Just go to it. Just 1,000. Hit it in one shot. This is not the right thing. Let's just Google it real quick. Aaron, sorry for entering in the giveaway. Yeah, it's just what happens. Balint has trained me. Like, when there's a raffle, you enter it. Okay. But I'm glad Turgis got it. You don't want the Euler angles, just to forward or something. Yeah. You're right. So it's like up, transform.up equals point dot normal. Can I do that? Can I do that? And that's if. This is only if the next def dot align to normals is true. Okay. This is excuse me. This was a lot. Not sure if you can just align the up. We're going to find out. The green axis of the transform. You can get it and you can set it. I don't know what setting it will do, but we'll see. Hey, maybe it's smart enough. We're going to find out. Oh God. We can do this later. Unity and being smart. Yeah. It's going to work. It's going to work. Okay, what's this? Why? We just want, oh, that's why. So point new spawn point equals new spawn point. Oh, let me just make a constructor. Public spawn point. Vector 3 pause. Vector 3. Wait, what? For each clump vectors. Oh, so this is inheriting from something else. So I actually want to get the point dot normal. Okay. Are we done? No. Oh my God, now what? Oh, now I can't do this, so. Why am I getting one position? Oh, this should be spawn point. I think that's why. Okay. And then this needs to be points j dot. Yeah. We don't need this anymore. We don't need you in our life anymore. Dead to me, line of code. That's it. No errors. Refactored. Done. Now we can spawn something along the normals. Oh. Bardaki, thank you for the lurk. Udon Engineering, how's it going? Mart, I was focused. I was too focused. Do you like redeeming focus, damn it, and then right after redeeming something that takes my focus away? Now I lost my focus. I have my wife trying to figure out train schedules with me right now on the other monitor. She's slinging a bunch of times at me, and I'm just like, I don't know. Play Rocket League. All right, I'll play Rocket League if this works. Once this works, I'll play. We're gonna see if you can just set vector 3.up or transform.up. This is gonna be interesting. So we go here. I'm going to make a special palette just for these. I'm going to go here. I'm going to make slope on slope trees. This is going to be called base station. Base station trees. Base station slope. This gets base station slope. The fancy part about it is everything is aligned to the normals, right? Except I don't want the trees now. The trees will not align to the normals, but I'm going to keep it checked just to see if it's working. I'm going to turn gizmos off. And then, once I hit this spawn button, I had a feeling that was going to happen. So, what happened? Hit dot normal. Maybe what? What's the max iterations? Points. Position count. The position count is the size. The max iteration. Oh, I break out of it. Okay, max iterations is. It's just it's just a total. Okay, that's fine. This should never happen. Now what happened? What was the error? Spawn. 103. Object reference not sent to an instance of an object. So I'm assuming since it's the first time we're calling hit? No, because we're doing it here. It's got to be points. Points.normal. Print points. Spawn. Oh, too soon. Spawn. At 104. Hit dot normal. Print hit. This is weird. What the hell can be wrong if this is fine and this is fine? Is it because normal is a vector 3 and it's not? Oh, I guess. But this would just set it to null. That's fine. What if I say points I? Oh, it's because I need. Oh, that's right. So if I'm going to make an array of classes, I need to initialize them. That's stupid. So points equals new spawn point. Points I equals new spawn point. And I'll just say, yeah. Random point and then vector 3 dot up. I got to do the same thing here. Position index equals new spawn point, random point, vector 3 dot up. Mard, the puzzle today was very interesting. I liked it. Just when I think I got it all figured out, it's like, well, here's another weird little concept. Okay, now what? 130 is the same issue. Points. I'm passing in. Wait, yeah, what was wrong there? 130 is wrong. So if x squared magnitude point, so it's probably this, right? Position is just a vector 3. That's fine. Is space free? Overlap sphere over the position. Points. I mean, position is fine. What's your favorite one this week? I love Yuri's puzzles. Do you speak to these people? Like all your puzzle makers? Do you chat with them sometimes? Has any reached out and asked how the game's going? Oh, that's fun. How did you get into these? Which one of these is null? Oh, all of... Right. I need to initialize it here, not here. So for each spawn point, point in points, point equals new spawn point. Can I just have a freaking public spawn point vector? Yeah, just that. Equals vector 3.0. I don't update all of them for each puzzle. It's tough. I'd like to find a way to, but I do let them know when theirs coming out. Nice. That's fun. That's really fun. So now I can just say here. Dot position equals because I'm doing this. Why can't I do this? Cannot assign because it's in a for. That's so annoying. X equals 0. Less than points dot count length. I never get that right. You do the same thing here. Okay. Okay. Zach, are we good now? Are we cool? Are we cool? Are we cool? Maybe. Let's see. All this just to spawn some stupid trees on a slope. What is happening? One of Yuri's puzzles is genius. It will probably be too big and laggy on some devices, but I have to show it at some point. Yes. What if you just have a special, like, performance option? Is it because the logic to calculate everything is just too slow, or spawn? What have I done now? Smooth positions. Okay, 145. At least we're getting lower and lower. Same thing here. Are you just guessing? There we go. Okay. Okay. We've got stuff spawning. The align to normals did not work at all. Everything is just facing upwards. So I'm probably not passing along the normal properly. So let's follow the trail. Let's follow the breadcrumb trail. If I store the normal here, it's in points. I return points from generate. So spawn points now has all of the normals. And then I go to smooth positions. Smooth positions creates a new array and a new thingy here. What I do is I do a double for loop. I iterate through both of them, I and j. I pass in j, which is our global one, and then I pass in... Oh, no. I pass in the global one, and I pass in a specific one. And then I say smooth point. That's okay. So that's why right here, I'm losing it. I'm losing it. So smooth position needs to remember this. Point equals point. So this is actually being remembered. And then am I making a new? No. Maybe that's not it. Maybe that's not where I'm losing it. Smooth positions. Maybe here I say smoothed positions j dot normal equals smooth position dot normal. Maybe I need to do that. And then here I can say points dot normal equals hit dot normal. I got to do it again. That's right. No, I don't know. Maybe I didn't. That's a weird one. Spawn. Uh-oh. Clear. Spawn. Yes. Bardaki, if you're there, if you're lurking, it worked, and you can literally just set up. That's cool. So I need like an offset position in the definition as well. Now, finally. So align to normals is true. So public bool, no, vector 3 position offset. Position offset. Then in the setter, when I set, come back. I say point position plus next def dot position offset. I've been so focused, I didn't realize my camera's so bad. There we go. All right. I'm excited. This is it. I think we've reached the conclusion. So now these maple trees are disabled. We don't have that anymore. We want the pine trees. Oh, hello, clear. I don't want them to align to normals anymore. I uncheck that and I hit spawn, and great. So now they're facing upwards and these guys are aligned to normal. But I want to push the trees down a little. If I say negative point, just say -1. I don't know. -1. And I say spawn. They are very low in the ground. That's actually perfect. Yeah. -0.1. Spawn. -0.25. Spawn. Yes. It's probably too much. -0.2. Spawn. That's still kind of too much. Why was -1 like nothing, but -0.2? Let's say 1.5. All right. All right. We did it. We did it. And now what I can do is say maximum density 1. Spawn. Maximum. Oh, wait. I have to say Maximum iterations is like 1,000. Maximum density, let's say 3. I don't know. Spawn. Oh no. It hated it. Why? Because max iterations was higher than the position count. And the position count comes from the max size of the... That's weird. All right, fine. We'll go back to 100. Spawn. 3 is... What if the radius is lower? Spawn. Huh. What if the... This is like 300? Oh, there we go. Okay, that worked. All right. What's that look like in the scene? I mean, it's a little ridiculous. I guess I gotta go and delete these. Wow, that was a lot of work. That was a lot of work just to get trees here. But it's pretty useful. I don't know. It'll come in handy one day. Oh, and I want it up to here. Spawn. Index out of range. Oh, it must have missed the terrain. Must have freaked out. Spawn. Oh, crap. Well, now... Oh, no. It's because... There we go. Spawn. Why? What's the matter? Index out of range. If position index is greater than or equal to position count, we break. What if it's just greater than? I tried to get it to run faster, but even disabling all of the game logic, it was still laggy. Just rendering the models. Oh, wow, that's weird. I Heart, good morning. How are you? Spawn. No, it was working. Why isn't it working anymore? There we go. There we go. Okay. Spawn. Just waking up. I have a cold and I can feel it in my brain. No, that sucks. I don't know about these out of range. Oh, science streams. Belinda, how are ya? To the credits with you. Into the credits with you. It's going to be hard for you to catch up to Turgis and Finn. All the tiles are technically flattened cubes, so possibly changing them into planes and swapping in for cubes when they animate will improve performance. It's possible, Mard. Although, I can't imagine that many... Like, are they beveled cubes? Like, what kind of cubes are we talking here? Cubes don't... They do not have many polygons. Just straight cubes? It's bizarre. I'm doing good, Belen. I'm doing good. I'm going away tomorrow. It's gonna be great. The ski area is coming along. I just love this fence. Like, seeing this is like, yes, I can't wait to go skiing. They're around 1,500. So I have 1,500 trees right now in the scene, and each one of these trees is like a 2,000 polygons. Like, I can't imagine that 1,500 cubes is that bad. I mean, all right, in browser, I don't know. I don't know, Mard. No. Can't run an iPhone in browser. You can just have a warning that says this is a particularly large puzzle. You might experience some performance issues. Please try and play on your desktop. If you want to play on your phone, just know you're going to get some performance issues. I mean, yeah, you could just have a version of the game that's not animated. But, the beauty of your game is the animation. I have a turtle collection now. Yeah, you do. Oh my god. Look at all those turtles. I make sad music. Oh my god, welcome in. Howdy, howdy. I'm a game dev as well. Nice. Welcome in. I love sad music. It's my favorite kind of music. My wife makes fun of me because all of my music is sad. All that time to put the trees in, and I can't even see them. I can't even see them. And there's just so many flowers. I just don't need that many. All right. The trees are too dense. You can click the source link and play there. Oh, I didn't realize. Do you look out the window at the rain while you enjoy your sad music sometimes? I've been less into sad music lately and more into just video game music and this Ghibli mix. Like, I haven't listened to, well, I say real music. This is real music, but I haven't listened to a music I haven't listened to music from the bands that I enjoy in like 5, 6 years. It's been like 6 years since I've just listened to an album from, random band I like. I kind of gave up on mainstream music. Just cold turkey. Yeah, that's way too many trees. Way too many trees. And why are they all scaled stupid? Wait, were they? Why do they look scaled stupid? Why are they stupid? They look extra skinny. Am I crazy? Then I get close and they look fine. Very strange. I don't understand. Kilika must be one of your most listened to artists. That's what I thought, but then my Spotify wrap up was not the case. And I don't understand why. Because I listen to Kilika on Spotify, right? And that's it. I don't listen to anything else. I was shocked when I saw my roundup or whatever it's called. I gotta be in a real specific mood to listen to sad music. If music was too happy, it was just like, it's not how I feel right now. I don't like it. I basically only listen to music on my commute. Who has the time? Yeah, it was basically subway music. Can you tell me about your game? Yeah, of course. It's a life sim Innkeeper-Sim. You could check it out on Steam. You can watch the trailer there. It's basically like Stardew Valley, but you run an inn instead of a farm. All right, how am I going to do this? Where's the slope again? Terrain. Slope. So these are too dense. I went a little crazy. 0.3. We'll say 1 spawn. And of course. Why? What's wrong? All right, let's just fix this bug. Print I. Wait, yeah. Position count. Oh yeah, this does need to be equals. Should I say -1? Position index is 0. Max iterations. Oh, I see. So I'm only iterating when I get to here. But I do break. Greater than or equal to position count. It's position count -1. It's position count -1. That's what it is. My game is about an inn as well. That is awesome. If the music I listen to is too happy, it feels like I'm lying to myself. Yeah. I've been happier lately. I think when I was a teenager and when I was in my 20s, I was just like, I don't know. I guess I was angsty and just try to be a little counterculture, a little hipster, or just counterculture hipster music. Not so happy. I listened to I was like, what was the last band I kind of listened to a lot? And I thought about this yesterday. And I'm like, maybe I'll listen to that on stream. And then I was like, this isn't good stream music. This would be terrible stream music. Like here, let's try it. Let's try it. So this is the album leaf. I listened to this guy to death. And it was the end of music for me. It's just not good. Look, you can't even hear it. It's so sad you can't even hear it. There we go. Can you even hear it? Ani, thank you for the hydrate. I don't even mean like I think I'm unhappy. It's like, who is this happy? Yeah, I get it. There are people. There are people. All right, this should work now. Spawn. Nope. Still out of bounds? Weird. Position I. Oh, it's because of that. It's because of that. I'm a dum-dum. I'm a dum-dum. Can only hear a little. It's building up, you know? These sad albums, they take time to build up. Now, no, that still doesn't work. Index equal, oh my God. And then excuse me. It's a Beautiful Day by Michael Bublé, top tier. Wait, It's a Beautiful Day by Michael Bublé? Isn't that a U2 song? Did U2 cover that from Michael Bublé? By happy music, are you referring to Recession? I don't even know what I'm referring to when I talk about happy music. Oh wait, I did not mean to hit play. Spawn, please. Okay, so index equals 60, count equals 118, but the index is out of range. Because I'm still using I. Whoops. There we go. Why is it all like in a row over here? What if I change the seed? Okay, it's just a weird seed. I think I'm going to get rid of all the grass. I think I'm going to get rid of all the grass. Or just drop the... Can I do this now? Or is it going to be upset? Oh, I can, but it's spawning weird. Why is it not over there? Oh, because the blockers. I need to get rid of these. Or, oh, I need to scale. That's what I need to do. I need to scale them down to like 0.1 or like 0.25. Okay. Spawn? Nah. Need to hide them. Spawn. No. What? What? Excuse you? What if I get rid of it? This is... There we go. Okay. So, oh, crazy. If you hide these, it doesn't matter. If you hide them, it doesn't matter. That's bizarre. Oh, look at that. It's using the ground here. That's convenient. It wasn't sad enough? Don't make me put on like Sigaros. That was my college jam. I used to listen to Sigaros 24/7. Actually, you know, I did listen to some happy music. The Flaming Lips, they were really happy. They were quite happy. This is working out, though. I'm digging this. Wait, the grass is still... Why is the grass on there? Don't spawn on that. It's supposed to be terrain only. Right? Terrain, terrain, terrain. I'm using a layer mask terrain. Oh, no, I know why. There we go. Is the music too loud? I had to make it a little louder. There we go. Too loud? Okay, sorry. That should be better? Bruce, how's it going? This is way better than a 45-degree plane. I mean, I upgraded it since we last spoke. Now it's a blobby ramp. I want to lock these. Okay, I want one more. I want one more variable that's locked. Public bool lock. And if it's locked, I want spawn at point and clear to not do anything. If lock return. If lock return. This makes me want to fix... This makes me want to get off my keister and fix my own game bugs. You should. Why not? I think hope that deserts and snow areas are easy because of the surface and the color. When I played WoW Classic, I was really impressed with how the desert holds up. So I saw... when you showed some gameplay, it was like top-down. There were sections, colored sections, and a character. Were those sections like different biomes? Was the character gigantic walking through the different biomes? I didn't really have good context for what I was looking at. So if I lock these and I hit clear, they don't clear. Yes. All right, all right, all right. And this looks way better. And this is great. This is great. Okay. I love it. Oh my God. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I can have trees growing up the mountain now. I think my veggie tools are taking shape. So print, get rid of that print. You got tricked into wanting to be productive. I hope I do trick some of you to work to get some work done. If I ever go on a stream and someone is working on a long-term project and just like that day they're showing signs of wanting to give it up or working on something else, I'm just like, yo, what are you doing? Focus. Go back to your long-term project and finish it. And I think a lot of people out there, you'll probably think like, no, it's okay to work on side projects. You can come back and take a break. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I can't do that. So I impose my own standards of myself on other people. The different colors are for debugging to check that the algorithm works correctly. I still haven't solved it 100%. Otherwise, there are Z fighting issues. My brain is cooked, though. I might just make more right now. Wait, what? Make more what? Maybe just a little debugging as a treat. Yeah, just as a treat. What do we think? This music or go back to Ghibli? I feel like I'm yelling over it, but it's just on my end. I don't like lyrics. This band usually doesn't have lyrics, but for some reason, this album, they got all like, oh, I'm going to sing now. Get out of here with your voice. Just give me sounds. I'm going to do a little work and still trying to break small survivors. That game looks really fun. I got to try it. Oh my God, Mard redeemed Rocket League and this works now. Maybe I'll install small survivors. I'll do a run. I don't know. Let's do it. Arsac. Nope. Not that. This music is way better for me, but I like the lyrics. I'm going to skip the lyrics, but I'll leave this on. All right, do I have Steam installed on this computer? Of course I do. Norton, I swear I turned off your alerts. Was it only for that session? You freaking virus. You damn virus software. Settings. Notifications. It was only for that setting. It was only for that session. Oh, I love it. $39 megabytes. That was fast. We're doing it. Wait, that doesn't change the... Oh, music. Oh, there's so many characters. Big. Who should I be? Start with cat? Start with... I think what I saw on your stream, Aaron, that this was bees. Let's start with rings. All right, this is my first playthrough ever. Oh, that's fun. Yeah, keep going with Bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble. One bubble. Throw it away. What does this do? I don't know what they do. That's okay. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Is it still too loud, the music? This is very fun. It's okay, but it's louder for sure. Okay. It's weird because it's hitting like negative 40 dB, which is, I'm usually at 35. Is my music always too loud? That's the problem with real music. Where's all that other, where's all that other stuff? God. Straw. That sounds good. I remember you had the straw. It sounds useful. Hmm. These games are just so satisfying. There's just so much destruction and it's just so simple. It's like beautifully simple. Oh, these guys are dangerous. Oh no, I just ran right into all of them. I gotta be careful. I gotta be careful. I'm not being careful. Like, come back here. Oh no, that was so stupid. I'm not gonna make it. Wow. That was a miracle. No, it's over. Okay. I didn't make... Oh, I made it to 5 minutes. That's really fun. That's really fun. Um, to title screen. All right. Thank you, Mard, for that redeem from 20 minutes ago. Okay. No, that was a Small Block Boys game. That one. My sister sang in the Vampire Survivors soundtrack. What? Explain. Explain yourself. You can't just say something ridiculous like that and not have an explanation. Yo, Kilika, how's it going? So this is done. This is done and looking exactly the way I want it. We have grass aligning to the normals, and we have trees going straight up with a little bit of offset to put them inside. And we can lock them so they won't get blown away. It's perfect. I just wish I can draw an arbitrary shape. That's what I want. I want to click on terrain and build an arbitrary shape. I have to use cubes only, and I can't rotate the cubes. That's the next. If I ever want to make this tool better, that's what I got to do. So let me run over to this and see what it looks like. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Yo, Steven! How's it going? I just turned the heat. Yeah, I'm about to turn the heat on in here. Freezing. What are we looking at here? So, I got a new zone I'm working on. And I was working on populating it with trees and shit. So I got this new base station ski zone. I have to model a ski chalet. I'll probably do that next. I got to model some, I don't know, some like food stands or something. And then I got these ski slopes. I keep forgetting to bake the nav mesh. But we have to look at it. Oh, weird. Oh, weird. Look at that. That's strange. That's fine. It's only in the rain. But I gotta look at it in the snow. Oh, it's not good in the snow either? And I gotta make these chairlifts. Maybe I'll make the chairlifts first, because they're a really important decoration. How are you doing? I was just working on a tool that spawns these trees on slopes. Because before, I have a tool that spawns vegetation on a flat plane. And I never had to deal with like varying terrain, so I just kind of worked that in there. All right, it's coming together. It's a little, this scene's a little like big. You just can't see much of it. Even if I zoom out, yeah, this thing's gigantic. This does not need to be this big. It's okay. I think it needs to be gigantic. It's a ski resort. It's got to be big. Gonna make the lift functional, sort of. Thank you, Kilika. Hellstastically weird. What is up? It's not going to be functional like fast travel, but it will take you somewhere once you fix it. Thank you for the hydrate. Hmm. All right, so this thing was gigantic. This is going to be like the slope map. So I have to make a slope map. Let me write all this stuff down. Content. So, whoa, what? What does Control K do? I want to bold. There we go. Base station models. There. I need a ski resort building. I need the slope map. I need the food kiosks. I need the what did I just say? New picnic tables. Picnic tables. I just said something. What was the last thing I need? Oh, this freaking chairlift. Chairlift. And maybe the gondola. I might just duplicate the chairlift. All right. Is that what that does? It looks like it's making a function. Oh, it is making a link. What? Wait, so if I say like, I don't know. Oh, that made a link to another file, and it made that file. What? Obsidian's weird. So if I have something, if I say like Control K, future tasks, and I click that, it. No, what the hell is this? It's a new file that's bracketed. I don't understand. Obsidian's weird. This music's a little intense. I'm gonna go back to Ghibli. I'm going back to Ghibli. See, we can't listen to real music. We have to listen to stream-friendly jazz only. All right, during this ad break, I'm gonna get some water. Hang tight, y'all. All right, I'm back. Everyone back from ads? Yeah, that was weird. Obsidian does weird things. I don't know how to use it. I know how to make lists, and that's it. The gondola, the chairlift, picnic tables, food kiosk, slope map. Okay, I think the most important thing is the chairlift. It is the thing that you're going to be interacting with. And I do want it to animate and function, but first it's going to be all busted. But yeah, Steven, you should post your Steam page or your socials or something. Let the people follow you. Share your stuff. I guess I'll bring this into Maya. And just trace it, because this is a good size. I like the size. Yeah, so everyone, you should check out Steven's stuff here. I met him a couple of weeks ago in real life, which doesn't normally happen in the Twitch world, but this isn't really from a Twitch thing. We met at a game dev meetup, and turns out he travels the world and makes games about the destinations he goes to, and he also has a longer term project on Steam to wishlist it. So everyone, give it a whirl. Follow everything. Follow the YouTube, wishlist on Steam. Do it up. Do you when you said you stream too? Do you stream on Twitch or do you stream on YouTube? Let's check this out. Look at me. I got to do that. You've been doing more Twitch lately. All right, let's give you a proper shout out. Everyone, give it a wish list. All right, so am I mentally prepared to start a new model right now? I'm not sure. Convert to FBX, export to FBX. No, this is This was just cubes. I kind of just blocked it in with cubes as a temporary thing. I gotta make it like proper. Make it nice and smooth. So sometimes when I'm like figuring out what should go in the scene, I'll just use primitives in Unity and then bring it back into Maya, model it for a real. I have to restart Maya. I don't understand what's going on with my shelf. Let's restart Maya. Yeah, save please. Let me make this building. Can't believe I'm on Maya. Why? That's what I learned. I'm not learning Blender. I've tried. People come in here all the time. They're just like, oh, Blender, but Blender, why Maya? It's cost money. I understand. Also, Maya's gonna flashbang everyone. I'm sorry. I've just been doing Maya for a long time. 16 years in Maya. How can I throw that away? You were a C4D guy? Oh my god. Ah, sorry everyone. Hmm. It's not gonna put it in the right spot. I forgot. Oh, but that's okay. That's okay. It's kind of cool if it goes across. And does it need more space? So, I mean, it's a fairly significant set piece. Maybe I just need to swing this. Give it more space. This house can move over. And then this. We can delete these trees. I played around in Blender 18 years ago. Wait, Blender 18 years ago? Bruce, I don't think Blender's been around for 18 years. It's looking good. Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. I have issues with it in game. All right, this looks right. And then if I don't rotate it, this is what it's doing. Okay. This is cool. I can live with this. It's basically here, right? This is right next to that. So it's like this. Yeah, okay. So what does a chairlift look like? Well, I got my reference. I need the simplest, most bare bones one, which is kind of like this. There's no roof, which is good. Wait, where are the chairs? I'm so confused by this image. Where are the chairs? Oh, it's not a chairlift. This is one of those like those little nubs you put in between your legs. I've never done one of those before. That's not what we're making. Pretty sure I started with 2.47. The websites list those releases going 2005, 2009. Really? That long ago? Wow, I did not realize. Bruce, yeah, you're an old timer. Blender's old AF. 94? What? That's crazy. Okay. I had no idea. Blew my mind right now. Oh yeah, vintage. Vintage. It always shows them in the air. I want to see what the base of it looks like. Like what is the word for that? How about this? Anatomy of a chairlift. Just give me like an illustration of it. No. Where's the base of it? This is crazy. I feel crazy. I mean, I just need this little thing. I basically just need this little thing, this cylinder which wraps the rope around. And then I can do whatever I want. But I do like reference. I tend to think my imagination is not that great. Chairlift base. I don't know. Okay, here we go. That's cool. This one's cool. It's a little futuristic, but it's something. What time is it? It's almost 3 hours. I wonder if I want to start this or if I should wrap up stream. Oh, here's a bunch of it. Okay, so it's showing me a lot like these now. Ooh, I like this one. This one's great. I guess I'll start with the roof. I'm gonna make it a little taller. And I do want to add those holes. Maybe like every 2. No, it's an extra. How about 3? Skip 1? 3, skip 1, 3, skip 1, 3, skip 1. There we go. Cool. That works. Ooh, I hate how skinny these get. They look weird. Hmm. That's fine, actually. This, oops, this, these, soften. The bull wheel? Did you just do some research? Oh, gross. Gross, 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 gross. Um, I just don't want to go too far with how many polygons I put on it. Okay, that's cool. I like that. I like that. Maybe I just don't like how thick it is. There's something weird about these. Just want these to be round, or at least appear round. Yeah, yeah, cool. Oh wait, sorry, I missed a bunch. Just fixed a major bug while sitting on my couch. Thank you for the guilt trip, I heart. But don't work too hard, you're sick. Blender tried to be a commercial animation tool and that didn't work out, so they pivoted into open source somehow and it worked. Yeah, it did work, didn't it? Do I need these? No. Can I? Hmm. It's not symmetrical. It's doing very stupid things. Was there a point to that? No, not worth it. So it has like an arm and then I don't mind it just being attached here. It's really hard to see what these look like. This is a terrible photo. Let me finish making this thing. Does this thing spin? Probably not, right? That thing wouldn't spin. The rope just moves along it. I don't know. Time for YouTube. Yeah, I guess so. Chairlift. Oh, this is how to ride a chairlift. Yes. Oh, it does spin. Wow. Okay. That's cool. I like that because I need moving parts to make it look interesting. These are super simple chairs. I like that chair. Can I get a better view of it? All right, so I'm just going to have to make some shape up. I live next to a ski resort. I couldn't even remember if it's been sketchy. Stop it. Why is it doing that? Let me. There we go. Cool. There's something charming about the cube one that just looked old and crappy. And the second I start adding like modern design choices, like this arm, that's super modern. I feel like a central pillar is like old school. I don't know. Let's see. Like, yeah, it doesn't have to be that complicated. Second, but yeah, central pillar just like felt better. I don't know. Where's the ground? Yeah, it just like looks better. So because this is out here, this will actually attach here, which gives me a lot more space. It's a little thin. What the hell? That's weird. Doesn't usually overshoot like that. Yeah, that feels like cute and solid. This is way too high poly. I don't know. I don't need all this. I think I can get rid of these. No, actually, I like it. I like this. What if I do this? And if I spin it, it's going to feel wobbly. I think that's okay, though. Because if I do this... That's fine. It might not, yeah, it might not have to be much more complicated than this, and I just need the ropes and the chair. All right, so the ropes are tricky. I'm gonna make them cubes. Oh, you know what? I should just start with this. Start with this, duplicate it, and then just keep these polygons. Whoa. 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 Why? Why doesn't this... Oh, because the normals. Silly. Need to conform them. There we go. Okay. Are these square? No. Square. Close. Is that square? That's square. Square enough. So basically just I feel like these need some kind of track. Like some kind of guardrail. So up there, it doesn't really matter where they go. I'm never going to see up there. I kind of just need this. And then I could smooth it. And it looks like a cylinder. Great. Maybe I cover this with a guardrail. Because it looks weird that it's just like popping out. Yeah, strange. It's like, yeah, it's gonna fall off the track, right? I'll just make something random. It's like a little cube. Stinkle Winks, how's it going? Welcome back. It's a little random, but you know, I don't actually care that much. It just needs to attach somewhere. That's the only thing. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, what a name. Starting the day, making the hit list. Nice. I guess this could arbitrarily attach to the pillar like this. Like, boom, it's attached. Oh, wait, but then, oh, it can't do that because this thing needs to attach to the, that thing needs to attach to the rope, and it can't now. Shit. Um, it can just be a guard on top. Like that, and then attach to a central piece that doesn't rotate. Like maybe the pillar pops out. Maybe the pillar pops out. And this rotates, but this is attached to this. This is getting stupid complicated. And then this thing needs like a hole or something. This is too much thought going into this. I'm like civil engineering right now. Okay, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. We're done. Oh, right. I can't flip it yet. Not done modeling it. I hate when I get caught up in stupid stuff like this. Like, nobody cares. It's like a waste of time. Like, I think it took me just as much time to model this this thing as the whole entire piece so far. Was it worth it? I just don't know. All right, so now this can grab the rope. This can block this ugly bit. just block it for no reason. This could do that. This needs to flip. Huh? Huh? Oh, merge. Wait, what? Bounding box. Object. There we go. That was weird. All right, so I've got some weird. This is gonna spin. The rope's not gonna do anything, but I have to figure out a way to animate this cleanly. Not a waste of time, but yeah, I hear ya. A lot of my streams are nothing but shit like that. Except I would spend 3 times longer digging through reference images. I do love a good reference image, but like, what is there? Oh yeah, so they do have support. They have something. What is this? Nah, I guess it just comes cleanly off the side. Oh, that's what it is. It comes out, and then there's a thing that pivots it. Okay, okay. Yeah, I should have looked at reference. My bad. This is supposed to come straight out. Like this. And then there's supposed to be some arbitrary thing pivoting it here. That makes so much more sense. So I'll make like a little thing. There, all that time completely wasted. Right? So I need like a track, another track that bends it. I'll duplicate this. And then I just want like this. Yeah. Oh, what? What are you doing? Oh, because these are holes. That's stupid. I delete that. So, whoa. There we go. That looks right. And then these can like, I don't know, come together. Why can't I bevel that? Are these not? Excuse you. Merge. 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 No. Merge. There we go. Excuse you, don't do that. So maybe something like this. There we go. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. All right. Hey. Animate UVs along the cable. Yeah, I could do that. I could do that. It's not so bad. I've done stuff like that before. Oh, that's horrendous. That's ridiculous. And then I'll just give this one a little base. All right, I'm done with that. You're not even gonna be able to see it. This is cool. This is cool. This is cool. So let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Done. Yeah, this looks better, right? This looks it actually looks kind of functional. I believe this. I believe this existed. If I soften these, does it look really stupid? No. No, it's cool. No, not that. All right, almost there, almost there. So I do like this. I will keep that. So what did we make? We made this, and this, and this, and this. Put it in here. Freeze. And now it's just the chairlift. Oh, and we need a big lever. We need like a big lever you grab. Aaron, have a good night. Thank you for your stream today. Everyone, shout out to Aaron. Give him a follow. We do this every night. Every time he goes to bed, he needs at least one follower to sleep soundly. So click that heart button. All right, I think I'm going to call it. I think we're done for the day as well. We didn't hit 1,700. Guys, is anyone out there not following? Just hit that 1,700. Hit the follow button. Why not? There we go. No, wait. Oh, yeah, look at that. Thank you. We did it. 1,700. Yeah, perfect timing. Now we can end safely and go somewhere. Where should we raid? Jitspo's still on. No, he's not. Where'd he go? He's gone now. Art Berkless is on. He's never on now. He's painting. Oh, strange. Maybe we'll go to Amices. He just released his alpha or something. He released something. Who else is on? Killica, thanks for hanging. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go to Amices. All right, everybody. Thanks for hanging. Got some work done. Made a chairlift. Made some trees. Made some vegetation spawn. Baby steps. The scene's coming together. I feel like the train station came together way faster. But that one's a little more closed and intimate. But Steven and Pedro, thank you for the follows today. Finn, thank you for modding. Mard, Leth, Sketchy, iHeart, Aaron, Killica, Steven. Everyone else who was here, Stinkle. What a name. Let's go say hi to Amices. Actually, wait a minute. There's one thing I need to check before we raid Amices. Yeah, I haven't raided him in 2 months. 2 months. It's time. All right, yeah. So yeah, I'm going to Hokkaido this weekend. I'll be back next Thursday. Hopefully, continue streaming on Thursday. So have a good weekend, everybody. Have a good rest of your Friday, or a good start to your Friday. And yeah, I'll see y'all next week, hopefully. Peace out, y'all.